Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Dualis ST, stock reference number 4440. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 5th month 2014. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front hand and the left-hand side. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have scratches on the outside edge. Left rear door, one small dent, less mould. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Left-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.